Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today we will discuss about chapter 3, that is bones and muscles. In the previous lectures we had already discussed about the skeleton and the formation of bones. Under the skeleton we discussed about skull, rib cage and our limbs, backbone also. Then we discussed the function of our skeleton and function of limbs. Now today we will discuss about joints. We can move our body in various ways to perform various types of functions. If you want to dance, you can move your body. If you want to walk, you can move your body in a proper way. So to move our body, joints are very important. Joints are the places where two bones join with each other. Joints are the places where two bones join with each other. Today we will discuss about the types of joints also. But these joints always move in a definite direction and in a definite pattern. And every other type of joints moves in a different way. Now we will discuss about the types of joints. There are mainly two types of joints. One is movable joint, another is immovable joints. There is another type of joint also, that is semi-movable joints, which we will learn in your higher classes. But here in this class we will learn only movable joint and immovable joint. So first discuss immovable joint. Let's take an example of immovable joints. The best example is our skull. We had already discussed about skull, that in skull there is only one bone which is moved, or one part which is moved, that is our lower jaw, which help us in eating and talking. But the other bones of our skull doesn't move from their place. They are fixed at their place. They allow only a very little movement. They don't allow any type of movement. But in these fixed joints, the bones are not like totally fixed with each other. There is a very little space which allows a little bit cushion to each other, so that bones do not rub with each other and we do not feel pain. So this is a little information about immovable joint. Now class, let's discuss about movable joints. As the name suggests, these bones or these joints can move and help our body to move in different ways to perform our various functions. In these movable joints, when two bones come close to each other, in between these two bones there is a tissue. There is a tissue called cartilage, and it helps to join the two bones together. But it also helps the bones do not rub with each other, or you can say it can prevent the rubbing between these two bones, so that we do not feel pain. Because if the bones rub with each other, then after a period of time these bones will decay and we feel a huge amount of pain, a lot of pain. You can say that the pain is very severe. So this cartilage is very important. Now let's discuss the types of movable joints. So the first type of movable joint is pivot joint, like your neck joint. This is called pivot joint. The next joint is this shoulder joint, or you can say ball and socket joint. The next one is our hinge joint. This is hinge joint. And the next word is gliding joint. This gliding, this pattern, this is called gliding joint. So class, there are mainly four types of movable joints. Number 1, pivot. Number 2, ball and socket. Number 3, hinge joint. And number 4, gliding joint. I hope you all understand this topic. Any problem, ask me. Have a great day class. Be safe at home. Thank you.